Hello everybody, we're at Sunset High School, home of the Apollos. How are you today? Oh my, the sun is out, it's beautiful weather. Check it out, the school administration today is even putting down a slipper line because it's so hot. But needless to say about it, it is football season, we're gearing up for the big game. So we're here for the Sunset Apollos. How do you feel about their chances? Now it's time for kickoff, so we're going to throw it back to you guys in the studio, but before we do that, we're going to end with a big 1, 2, 3.
Well, on the field tonight, the Apollos hosting the Milwaukee Mustangs. First quarter of this game and Sunset's opening drive, quarterback Matt Fay to Ty Harper, 30-yard touchdown. That wasn't a touchdown pass, but never mind there. Later in the first, the Apollos launched the ground attack. Kyle Bruno going 29 yards. And the final score tonight, it was Sunset knocking off Milwaukee 35-6. And the Sherwood Bowman